Hey guys, it's Tammy from marketing. I want to thank you so much for doing this video for us. I have a couple of ideas about things to think about when you're making your video for us. Number one, make it in vertical, not horizontal. We need these to be straight up and down. So find a good spot that's not super bright, super dark, weird lighting. If you look, I'm very evenly lit right now. If I turn the camera and put the light to my back, see how the shadows get all weird, the background's blown out. But when I go back, find the light, it's nice and even. That's what you want. You want super even light. You want to speak slowly. You want to enunciate so people can understand you. The other thing to remember is your background. So pick a nice neutral background. Before you start your video, look behind you to make sure that you don't have some weird stuff. Like I would consider this weird, this is weird, this is weird. But I'm picking a spot that's pretty neutral. There's nothing else to look at except me. That's important. If you wear glasses and you're comfortable taking them off, then I would recommend that you take them off because the reflection sometimes gets in the way of people watching you and listening to you. If you don't want to take them off, there's a little trick that you can use, which is you take your glasses and you just tip the frame up just a little bit so it's not sitting on your ear. That points the frame down slightly, and then typically the reflection will go away. So that's something that you can use forever. If there's noise outside, try to pick a spot where there's no wind or, you know, car noises or whatever. If you're inside, just get in front of a window or something so that you have some nice natural light. When you're talking, I want you to really think about the person who's sitting in front of you is listening to you. It's not like a script, it's more like a conversation. So when you're talking, just talk like you normally would. And the other thing is, if there's things that you want to cover, write them down on Post-it notes and just give yourself little prompts to remember things to talk about. Because if you're reading a script, it sounds really stilted. Thank you so much, so much. This is amazing. Have a great day and good luck. Oh my God, you guys, I forgot one really important thing. It's this. If you are inside and you're not gonna go outside, pick a small room that has padding, like carpet, curtains, furniture. Don't pick an empty room because sound just bounces around like a basketball. You want it to be a place where the sound gets absorbed and where you can do all the other things. So I'm standing in front of a window, I have even light, I'm in a small room that has carpeting and dogs, but luckily they're being quiet right now. So thank you again. I'll talk to you later.